Hey, what's up, y'all? So, little unboxing today from the Whatnots. Want to give away. This was something I actually had kind of hidden at the Walmart, but now I end up getting a free one, so no need for that now. But, yep, won this as a giveaway. This is a freebie. Boom. Look at that. Datsun 510 wagon from the Boulevard set. Awesome. Yeet. FG meaning followers Givey. Number 2. Yeah, so that's cool. Look at that. 510 wagon. Completely free. And even a sticker. This is a one I won the giveaway on this stream. Apex Diecast. It's not expecting a sticker in there. That's cool. Apex Diecast mainly does Kaido house brakes, piece brakes. So I was just sitting down on one of those kind of streams, and anytime you got like a raid where someone from another stream sends people in their stream to another one. Yeah, so I put up a giveaway and ended up winning. Yeah, see? Right there. Little packing slip there. Followers give you. See? I didn't pay anything. Oh, that's cool. Oh, yep. It's box number 1. Free 510 wagon. Usually on the giveaways, I just don't win a main line. It's the first time winning like a premium car on a giveaway, so that's cool. Especially since the Boulevard, the price of those now at Walmart, yeah, pretty cool. And then this next box, on this particular stream, I ended up winning twice actually. First time winning 2 in a single stream. They are like fantasy cars, but not like terrible ones. They're like okay ones. And then I did end up buying one item. A Tarmac car that no one else was bidding on. So, alright. The paper from the box there. We'll just on here kind of loose. But, okay, yeah, that's just the first thing I won. And this is actually an old one, so I'm pretty sure I have this already. I looked at that. Right. Although on this is from Cool Castings. On his streams, you don't necessarily, unless it's like the opening give you when you first enter the stream, and then you kind of know what it is, but otherwise you don't really know what it's going to be. You just know it's going to be some random car or something. Oh, but look at that though. It's actually got a factory sealed sticker on there. Cool. All right, so they're actually worth a little more with that sticker on there. That's cool. Awesome. Maybe I'll actually hold on to that. Factory sealed. And then other giveaway I ended up winning. That same stream. This is from this year. The Little Roar. Something I thought about getting at the store before, but I never had picked it up. I ended up winning a free one. Oh, it's like half fantasy, half not fantasy, because we got the mini just branded on there. And number 2, the mud tires for safari mode. From K-Case. The Roar, it's custom design based on the 2003 Mini Cooper. It's an homage to the 65 Austin Mini Cooper S. Legendary for its 60th Monte Carlo rally run. Small in size but hugely rugged. It can tough out some of the most brutal modern day rally courses. All right, there you go. So there's something a little, something to this. Then the one thing I did end up buying, since my shipping was reduced quite well from the one in the giveies, and I'm getting this Tarmac for only $2. 67 Ford GT40 Mark IV. Then and now set from last year. Tarmac number 11 for 2024. Yeah, pretty cool. $2 plus the my shipping was like $1 something. So like just a little under $4 for all 3 cars because 2 are the giveaways and $2 plus the shipping. So pretty good deal. And I'm surprised that was actually a factory sealed sticker on there. Pretty cool. And then lastly, on one of my favorite streamers shows from last Tuesday, I ended up getting this Mercedes-Benz SL500 Koenig Special Tarmac Works car. First time having a Tarmac. Miho exclusive, which is just the packaging style. But this is actually a limited edition, because I did end up looking this car up later on. And you can get this directly off the Tarmac site for like $12, where it's just in the box. But it does say on there that it's like a limited run thing. So they're not making this casting ever again. So however many of these they made, that was it. Oh, yeah. It's the back of it. Got the Mercedes little sticker on there. Officially licensed. Yeah. Cool. My first Tarmac car. There you go. And yeah, check out how much I paid on this. Oh, folded up a little thing so it's not info. But yeah, see, diecast do this from last week, 13th August. Look at that. See that subtotal on there? $2. Yep. Tarmac works. Look at it. In this particular packaging, if you look online, it's around like $18. I got it for $2 plus shipping. My bid was actually at $4, but I had a $2 off coupon because on whatnot, some streamers have like a rewards program thing. And some of them you can just watch a certain amount of shows and you can get like a couple dollars off on a purchase. So I ended up getting a couple. My bid was up to $4, and no one else outbid. So total was $2. A lot of stuff that night was going kind of cheap. It's kind of weird. It was kind of an odd Tuesday night on his stream. Ended up picking up something fairly cheap. And then of course the pineapple candies, which kind of melted a little bit because I wasn't expecting this to come in the mail until like yesterday, but it showed up on Saturday. So when I was leaving to go to work, the box was sitting outside the door. Like, oh, that means it sat out there for a couple hours. So candies kind of melted a little bit, got a little deformed. But I put them in the fridge, so they're okay now. I think this one's, yeah, one of them stayed intact. But yeah, that started to melt a little bit. But yep. So sometimes you catch a pretty good deal on whatnot. Anyways, thank y'all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.